organize to save. Thank you so much for coming to check out today's video. Today I am super excited because we are talking mom bags. Now it could be a diaper bag or a toddler bag or even just your bag that you bring to work. But regardless, I've got a great solution for you guys today that I want to show you how I've got it organized, how I use it, and I'm super excited. We have a giveaway today. I'm so thrilled to be able to offer this to you guys. I have partnered with Newlie, the company that my purse is from. They've graciously given a bag for me to give away to you guys. So I'm gonna show you the bag. Here it is, guys. So this is the brand new bag, the same one that I'm gonna show you today. You guys will get if you win it. So make sure you stick around. I'll tell you how to enter the giveaway at the end of the video, but this is the bag that we're gonna talk about. But before we dive in and I walk you through how I've got my bag organized, if you are new, welcome. On my channel, I talk all about getting you organized to save your time, money, and space. So if that sounds interesting to you, subscribe below and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified every Wednesday when I post a new video. But let's go ahead and dive in. I'm gonna walk you through how I've got this bag organized and show you all the different ways that you can wear it. So let's get started. So the bag that I have been using for over a year now is the Newlie Louise diaper bag. I will link to this in the description below, but I love the functionality of this bag. I love that you can wear it several different ways here. So you'll see right now I'm showing you that you can use it as a shoulder bag, a crossbody bag, and then my favorite way is to actually wear it as a backpack. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take you through the inside of my purse, show you what all I store in here, and we'll actually start from the outside. So on the outside, you will see it has these two shoulder straps, and then it also has the backpack attachment, which the backpack is what I typically use. The shoulder strap I'll use if I'm just using it for myself as a purse and not out and about as a toddler bag. But then on here, this is something that is an additional purchase that I made. This is called a bag net. It's really useful for, in the bathroom if there's no hanger hook, or when you're out to eat, if there's nowhere to put your purse, you can just attach this to anything that is magnetic and it will hold it for you. But then on the front, you'll see there is a little pocket here. Sometimes I'll throw my phone in there just to, bring it from here or there, but generally I don't really keep too much stuff in there just because it's an exposed open pocket. These side pockets, I only utilize one of them right now just for my feminine products because it's really easy to get to. The other side I typically leave open just because if you pack these side pockets too much, you're not going to be able to fit as much on the inside of the side pockets that I'll show you in a second. But like I said, there's the back, so you've got the backpack straps, and these straps can actually you can change it to be like a shoulder bag if you want to too. So let's go ahead and look on the inside. So you'll see it has a really nice zipper. I've not had any issues with this zipper. I love it. It works really well. And then here is the inside look. So this is what a typical day, what my bag looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out and I will show you what all I have in here. But let's just start with this. This is my planner. So this is a classic size Happy Planner. So it's a pretty decent size planner, and it can fit nicely in there. Now you're not gonna have a whole lot of wiggle room, but it fits nicely in there. It's easy to get in and out. And then on this back pocket here, this one actually has a clasp, and this is where I keep like my stuff. So my wallet, and I'll typically put my phone in there, things like that. But if you were to use this as a diaper bag, this is where the changing pad would go. So it's nice, you can just snap it here if you want to. So that way, it doesn't come out. I typically leave it open just because I'm using this as like the mommy pocket, so I need to be able to get to this really easily. There is also a little hook for your keys, which is great, so that way you don't lose them, you know, on the bottom of your purse. You know exactly where they're at. So it goes the entire depth of the bag too. So it is a very nice size pocket. And then on either side, there is a water bottle holder. So right now I just have my daughter's water bottle in there, and you can use that for, you know, water bottles, bottles. You could even put like, you know, other things in there, like a spare set of clothes or something, or toys, but there is 2 of them, one on either side. So again, those are the entire depth of the purse. So really a lot of space. But what I was saying before is that if you stuff this side pocket really packed, you're not going to be able to get something all the way down in there. So just keep that in mind when you're packing your bag. But then here we have 2 separate scrunchie pockets. So all of these pockets, minus the back one, are scrunchy, so that way it kind of keeps it close to the inside of the bag. But what I like to do with these 2 pockets is one I have for my daughter's stuff, and then the other one I have for my stuff. So I will pull these out so you can see. So this is all that I have in this pocket right now, but occasionally I'll throw some extra like toys in there. But I just have this little zipper pouch, but I use this typically when we're out and about, like at restaurants or in the store and she needs something to do. I just have a little coloring book, a little book, and then some crayons in there. Occasionally I'll throw a few extra things in there, but right now this is what we have. So nice and compact, can stick in that pocket. Just great to have something for on the go when you're needing something to keep them occupied. All right, and then in this pocket over here, this is all of my stuff. So I like to keep things in compartments like this just because it's a lot easier to pull out to see what you have available. Rather than trying to rifle through the pocket here to find what you have, it's just really easy, pull this whole thing out. But I will go ahead and open this up. So this is really all I keep in here. I've got like a comb, some spare makeup stuff, a little sunscreen thing, some perfume, and mints and gum. And that is typically all I have in here. Occasionally I'll put my like extra phone charger in here, but really I keep it fairly basic. So again, super easy, just pull it in and out of that pocket. Now there is another secret pocket in here, and it is actually right inside here. And this is what I love about this bag. It actually has a fully insulated pocket. So this is amazing for if you're a mama that needs to bring like a cold bottle with you. It's great to put that in there. Or you could even like pack up snacks and put a little cooler pack in there and keep your little snacks in there. But this is where I keep all of our snacks for my daughter, and then but occasionally I'll throw in some for myself in there as well. But really I just keep all of our snacks in here. So I like to have like a squeezy pouch, some little prunes, or we call them purple gummies, and then I'll typically have some type of snack mix in here, and looks like I've got some raisins in there too. But I just keep a variety of snacks in there, so that way while we're out and about, if we get hungry, we can grab something. But I really love the flexibility that this pocket gives you, just with being able to keep something cold. So I have done this where I've had, we're going to the zoo or something and we want to pack a miniature lunch or something. I've actually just thrown it right on in there, and it's worked out great. So the only thing to keep in mind is that if you pack it too full, you're not going to have as much space in the middle section here. But that is all of the pockets, and then it leaves you with this whole middle section open. So that's where I had my planner, but then I have this bag in here, and I'll go through that in a second. But just to show you, I mean, look at how deep that is and how many pockets and compartments that you have. It's just a really great flexible bag. Again, I've been using this one for about a year now, and it has held up really well. The only spot that's ripped is just right on the inside here, because I think I stuffed this compartment too full at one time, but I just sewed it right up and it works great. So loving this bag. All right, so this is our little on-the-go potty bag. So I will open this up and show you what all I have in here. So it has two different compartments and then this handy little strap, and this actually has a little buckle there, which I really love, just because sometimes I've even like buckled this around the handicap rail in the bathroom if there's no like hooks to be able to hook this onto, so that way I can be hands-free, not having to worry about where I'm going to put this. But in this open pocket, I actually have a little portable potty seat, which has been amazing for potty training. Now, it might seem kind of weird to some to have a potty seat in your bag, but it has been a huge game changer for us in order to potty train my daughter. It's just a little bit harder for her to use the potty with having her leg braces, so being able to set this down and her feel stable on the potty has been amazing. So I'll link to this in the description below, but it's literally just a little fold out potty seat, and it's been awesome. So I just clean this off every once in a while just so it's not disgusting, but it's nice to keep it in this bag nice and concealed. And this is like a waterproof kind of interior too, so if for whatever reason that would get wet, it's not going to leak over my entire bag. So that's all I have back there. In this front pocket, I have just an extra pull-up just in case if we're in an emergency situation where we need one. And then I have a little hand sanitizer and some toddler flushable wipes, which come in handy. And then I've got this little roll of clothes, and I will show you how I do this, but it's super easy. You just lay your pants down and then put your shirt and your undies over the top of it, and then simply roll it up and use the socks on either end to fold it together into this nice little ball. So that's just awesome, just sticks right in there. And this is kind of our little potty bag. So I'm curious, is there something that I didn't include in my bag that you like to have in yours? Comment below and let us know what's in your bag. Okay, so as you can see, this is an amazing bag. It offers so much versatility, all the different ways that you can wear it. And then if you implement some of the organizing tips that I showed you guys, it is just gonna make your lives so much easier for on the go. So in the description box below, you'll get all the information that you need to figure out how to enter the giveaway. So I just wanted to do this giveaway as a thank you to you guys. I am so appreciative to all of you for following me along on this organizing journey. It's been so much fun to be able to share all of my tips and tricks with you, and I love interacting with you over on Instagram and Facebook, and I just wanted to be able to give something back to you all. So I hope you enter in that giveaway down below. Check the description, and I wish you all the best of luck. I just want to thank Newlie for partnering with me on this video and providing this bag. I will link their website down below, and they have also graciously given us a 25% off discount code that you can use for this bag. I will leave that linked below as well. So make sure to share this with your friends. If you know an expecting mama, this would be an amazing bag for her to utilize. So I will leave everything linked down below, but otherwise we'll catch you guys next time.